Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to insert copper T animation. First, open your preferred 3D animation software. Next, you will need to import a 3D model of the uterus and a copper T IUD. Ensure both models are high quality for a realistic depiction. We will then position these models correctly within your scene, paying attention to scale. This foundational setup is crucial for a smooth and accurate animation process, making subsequent steps much easier. Now that your software is open, let's get the scene ready. Import your 3D uterus model, ensuring its scale is accurate, perhaps around 3.5 inches in length. Place it centrally for optimal viewing. Then, bring in the copper T IUD model. You might need to adjust its pivot point to facilitate realistic movement during insertion. Proper setup here saves a lot of time later. With your models in place, it's time to animate. Start by setting keyframes for the IUD's initial position outside the uterus. Then, create a series of keyframes guiding it through the cervical canal and into the uterine cavity. Pay close attention to the natural movement and rotation. Adjust the animation's speed to ensure viewers can clearly follow each step of the insertion process. Finally, review your animation thoroughly. Play it back multiple times to check for any unnatural movements or glitches, ensuring the medical accuracy is 100%. Make any necessary adjustments to keyframes or timing for a smooth flow. Once satisfied, head to your export settings. Select a high-resolution format, like 1080p, and a suitable frame rate for a crisp, professional video. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.